plan today is to clean up this vegetable patch. Really good sized veg. Look at those broccolis. And we got most of the garden done. Got some new kale in, some peppers, tomatoes growing, some cauliflower, some broccoli, some onions. Right, let's see if there's any waves on Piha. Gardening's done. Looks like there's a bit of an offshore wind on the west coast. Nice in the autumn because the water's warm. Yeah, fun surf. This place is pretty special to me because when I first came to New Zealand, all I wanted to do was buy a surfboard and get a car. Always a nice ride. So this was the first beach I surfed at, and I didn't know any better, and I thought maybe this is where I can try and learn how to be a better surfer than I was in Ireland. This place certainly is tough for learning. The waves are big and gnarly.